Namaskar, good evening. Today we will review Ultra Tech Cement Limited, a Kumaramangalam Birla Group cement company. One of the best cement companies in India, aiming to be number one. Ultra Tech Cement Limited is engaged in the manufacture of ordinary Portland cement, Portland blast furnace slag cement, Portland pozzolana cement. They also manufacture ready mix concrete, RMC, ready mix concrete. It's the country's largest exporter of cement clinker. Management consists of Kumaramangalam Birla Chairman, K.K. Maheshwari, Vice Chairman and Non-Executive Director, K.C. Janwar, Managing Director, Atul Daga, Whole-Time Director and CFO. Now we'll take a look at the Q2 results. Net sales for Q2 is 10,354 crores. 10,354 crores. The previous quarter, that is Q1, 7,634 crores. And year ago quarter, 9,620 crores. Which means, year on year, the growth is 7.63%. Quarter on quarter, the growth is 35.6%. Cement companies are coming out of the COVID effect. Q1 was 7,634 crores, whereas Q2 is 10,354 crores, a 35.6% growth. Year-on-year growth also is reasonable, 7.63%. Now, profit before exceptional items and tax. 1,801 crores in Q2, Q1 1,314 crores, and year ago quarter 896 crores. See, at this stage, year on year growth, that is 896 crores last year, 1,801 crores now, 101% year on year growth. Profit before exceptional items and tax. Profit, the same thing, quarter on quarter growth is 37%. That is 1,314 crores to 1,801 crores, 37%. Reasonably good. But hereafter, there are some exceptional items. Exceptional item in Q2 is 335.75 minus item. Exceptional item reducing the profit from 1,801 to 1,465 crores. It has reduced by 336 crores. Profit before tax. Previous quarter also there was an exceptional item, 157 crores negative. So that had reduced the previous quarter's profit from 1,300 crores to 1,156 crores. So profit before tax growth is 64.57% year on year, and quarter on quarter 26.62%. See, from 101% before exceptional items, it has come down to 64.57% growth year on year because of the exceptional item. There is tax 566%, and then there is an extraordinary item 336.28. You see, profit before tax is 1,464, but extraordinary item is 336 crores. So net profit is 1,235 crores. Previous quarter net profit is 797 crores, and year ago quarter 579%. Again, net profit has shot up to 113% year on year, 55% quarter on quarter. There is an exceptional item, there is an extraordinary item which have affected the net profit. The final net profit after minority interest and share of associates is 1,234, slight reduction. So here also 113% year on year growth and 55% quarter on quarter growth. So overall, Ultratech Cement has performed very well in Q2 this year, despite exceptional item and extraordinary item. Basic EPS is 42.8, previous quarter 27.65, and a year ago quarter 20%. Here also year on year growth is 113%, quarter on quarter growth is 55%. Now the current price is around 5,035 rupees. Today volumes are 19,17,000, so buying and selling is easy. Price earning ratio based on the latest price and latest EPS is 29.41. It is slightly on the high side, but Ultratech is always commanding such a price earning. Now let us also take a look at the annual results for the last 5 years. Sales have risen from 25,153 crores in the year ending March 2016, 25,153 crores in March 2016 year ending. From the 25,000, now it has risen to 42,124 crores in the March 2020 year. In 5 years, from 25,000 crores to 42,000 crores, sales have risen. So, very impressive. Now, net profit likewise has risen from 2,479 crores 5 years ago to 5,811 crores in March 2020 year. But the thing is, the net profit has risen to this level in March 2020 year, but even the previous year was only 2,399 crores. So that's how it is. Sales growth, there is absolutely no problem. Net profit growth has risen only in March 2020 year, and it is now rising. Now, historically, if you see the prices, historical prices, 3 years before it was 4,220. It was staying like that for the last 3 years. 3 months before it came down to 3,979. 1 month ago again it has risen to 4,500. 1 week ago 4,800. Currently it is around 5,000. So it was not a multi-bagger in the last 5 years. From 4,200 3 years ago to 5,000 now, not a multi-bagger in 3 years. Okay, but there is reasonable growth. Now, shareholding pattern, if you look at that, promoters hold 59.85% of the equity, pledge is 0. FIIs hold 15.53%, DIIs hold 18.72%, and so on. So, a promoter holding is okay, pledge is 0, so that is also quite good. Now, Ultratech has been a reasonably good dividend pay master. It was giving 130% the last year, 115% still earlier, 105% still earlier, 100% still earlier, like that. So always around 100% it is giving. So dividend payment is reasonably okay. But price we are paying is very high. Now gross profit margin the latest year, March 2020, is 23.57%, reasonably good. Operating profit margin 17.16%. That also is reasonably good. Net profit margin is 13.79%, reasonably good. Not very great, but reasonably good for a cement company. Return on net worth is 14.86%, that is March 2020 year. ROC, return on capital employed, is 11.52%, return on assets is 7.32%, reasonably okay for a cement company. Debt equity ratio is 0.55. Okay, interest coverage is 3.64. Still, I think debt seems to be high. We will see later on. Now, there is an investor presentation in the month of October. It says UltraTech Cement Company of Aditya Birla Group announced a 5,477 crore investment for 12.8 metric tons per annum capacity expansion. It is already India's number one cement player. Now it wants to become the national champion. The expansion is going to take place at Pali in Rajasthan. Already, UltraTech has an approval from its board for 6.8 MTPA capacity expansion in UP, Odisha, Bihar and West Bengal. Now, Pali in Rajasthan. So, expansion has been going on in UltraTech Cement, and these are expected to be commissioned in FY22 in a phased manner. Commercial production is likely by Q4 of FY23. So, after all these things are completed, the total capacity will be 136.25 MTPA. This is the third largest in the world outside China. So that's how it is. UltraTech Cement is a good bargain. But last 3 years it was not a multi-bagger. The growth in price was not very great. Sales have grown reasonably well. Net profits have grown only in March 2020 year, not earlier. So the profit margin should improve, likely to improve now. So that possibility is there. Capacity expansions are going on very well. So UltraTech is on a steep growth path as far as its operations are concerned, but we want it to become a multi-bagger. It was not a multi-bagger during the last 3 years. Please remember, make your plans. But it is one of the best cement companies in India, number one. Thank you for listening. I will be back with you with another very good company. Why I have chosen this latest quarter, 101% year-on-year net profit growth, sales growth also is there. Therefore, I have chosen this UltraTech, and moreover, it is number one cement player. Huge expansion going on. Wants to be a world-class player like that. Thank you.